This is my backyard. That those windows over there are usually, there's ways to go to get to where the bottom of the window is, and that's the blizzard of 2011 did this last night, and this is basically what my backyard looks like from it. There's my neighbor's garage. And yeah, it's just terrible out. Going to the front of the house, or actually my grandmother's side window, show you what my neighbor's house looks like. There's a big old snowdrift right under that. Right over that snowdrift is a window, and oh, it's terrible. As you can see outside, it's real nasty. There's how deep it, I don't know if you can see it, but that's how deep it is in the front. Here, I'll go out to the front window so you can see it. It's terrible. There's my grandmother's car. Right.
It's okay, sure.
Right there. There's my neighbor's car, half buried. Yep. And I don't know if you can see it, but some of the neighbors have snow blowers and they plowed their driveways out. Okay, bye all. This is Boop Boop signing off.